Hello, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am watching Dapper. There's also in this series.
But as you know, with these marble races, absolutely anything can happen. But yeah, we are just now waiting for this to fill up. This is filling up pretty quickly, actually. We got a few more marbles that are
So,
making their way into
all
it
these
now.
marbles are
Like
based
I said,
on
just as soon
spinning
as
reel.
soon as
So,
that's full, all the rest of the marbles will make their way down
like
to
set one we
the
have Ty Webster.
elimination zone.
This right here is
Which will
Rat
be
one, we have
so
Ty,
hopefully your marble,
Dapper,
hopefully your favorite
Jerome,
color makes
Stillen,
it to
Rory,
the section.
my girlfriend
And
Kendra,
we got a
Tyler
few.
Chef,
We're trying to get a
V
win.
Quinn,
I think
Caleb
they
Jackson,
died, which is
Sky the Duck.
unfortunate for them. We got a
Down
little
here you can see
tiebreaker
more.
right
This
here. Gets
is
batted away by
but me there right there, number
Stingy
2. And
Fingy.
yes, I will put some
Oh,
new
got really trying to make
names
his way in. Nice, makes it.
down here
And
that
we're just waiting on a few more marbles coming into
listen
the
that
line.
was
This is kind of cool. Like
4,
I think
5,
this is like
6,
a
and there's only 8 tracks,
let's
so
go.
here
That's
in
so cool too.
7
It's
and
like
then 8.
the logic
So
here and whatnot makes it just like a real pinball machine. That's kind of awesome. All right,
I'm
so it
gonna start
looks
the
like
race now.
we got a few more people making it in here now. We got someone eliminated already. I don't know how that happened. They must have gotten kicked off the table. Not really sure, but this green zone is about to fill up, and this is about to get crazy. We got another marble making their way in. We just need a few more. Come on, marbles. Let's get through this.
I'm gonna follow Miss
Let's
Con
figure
for
it
now
out.
until we get.
Hopefully they make it. We got another one that's sliding in right now. Another one trying. There it goes. Makes it down in there, and we are almost filling
Mina
up.
almost
We got
fell
a
off
few
there.
more slots left, and oh my gosh! And I just assume all the rest.
Daisy now in first place, so I'm gonna switch over. This in the line over here is still in first place after every checkpoint. This is running into the elevator. This might be the slowest part.
We got like maybe one more, maybe two more slots available.
You can see all the people back there. There, yes, there is for the elevator.
And another. Please tell me that
There's
that's
8
not.
tracks,
Oh,
and there's only 4 elevators, so.
gosh. Okay. I guess we might be waiting on another marble. I don't really know. Oh, look at this. Yeah, we got one more AND gate. I feel like that needs to be green and true. So hopefully one more marble will do it. We are almost there. So we got one more marble coming in. That is not it still? Okay, maybe we need a couple more. Getting batted away. Unfortunate. Alright, come on, marbles. Come on. Let's get down in here. Let's make this happen. And I feel like a marble needs to be right here for it to go. I'm not really sure. Is it gonna it's not gonna. Alright, how about there? That's gotta be it, right? Oh, there it is. There it goes. It's done. It's done. The door down here is open, and I think all the other marbles that try to make it through now are going to be eliminated unless they get super lucky somehow. But here we go. We're now on to the next section, and the marbles are released, and there goes another elimination. And wow, this is getting down to it. I don't know how many marbles are left, but I would guess maybe 20 to 30. I don't know. Somewhere in there for sure. Anyway, here we go.
I'm not limited or I'm still in there. I am in memory. So. We are following Daisy for now.
Stack of marbles down here that are already making it to the next section. So if you see your color in there, don't worry. I think you might be safe. But anyway, we are just waiting on this next section to fill up. Man, this is an intense race. I still can't believe how many marbles have been lost already. That is absolutely crazy. We gotta
Should I fax this up?
over there in the top right, trying to figure out how to get across this course. But they are just
Consider fungal coming. No, no, still in this one.
We got a couple more marbles coming in as well, and this elimination
There goes
zone
Miss
is getting
Con.
smaller and smaller. Holy cow! Oh, that's so cool. That little water slide that goes all the way across. That's awesome. I like that a lot. So yeah, we're just waiting for a few more marbles to make it to this orange zone. Looks like we got a couple more marbles coming in now. A couple more might make it as well. Gets knocked away slightly. Got a few more trying.
Now we're watching Coco Flames to do this.
And this is going to get insane. We're getting down to the wire.
Still will be in first place, so.
So quickly, it's insane.
I'm just watching this area, and then.
I think we are definitely halfway or more through this marble race.
Yeah, that was it. Still will be the first place winner. There might be a lot more than last year.
Which is good.
Second place is Mr. Matsui. Ooh.
Figured out they're all still up there. Like
Third place, Miss Khan.
they're kind of like
They're in
stuck
fourth
here.
place,
I
Mr.
guess the
Rogers.
strike fling them into the bumper, but that other
They're
sweet
in
thing just
sixth
kind of
place,
pushed them back.
fifth place,
Anyway, got
seventh
three
place. They're in
marbles making
eighth.
it into the green zone, and I think we just need a few more now. I'm guessing maybe 5.
But there I am.
We got
I was in 18th place. Yeah, my birthday date.
maybe a couple more coming in behind that as well. Oh man, this is gonna get okay. I can't wait. I can't wait. This next section is gonna be coming up here soon. Look at that. Okay, here's all of our marbles. They're making their way down, and that's gotta be it, right? I'm guessing. I don't know. I'm gonna move my camera over here, just assuming that those marbles that make it through.
Never
We're
mind.
gonna
Oh.
release them.
I'm gonna follow Fur for now until he
This
makes
is
it.
awesome so far. I love this. I love elimination style racing.
Then Makita.
I definitely need to make more of these. I need to go finish the. Oh, there it is. There it is. The rest of the marbles coming down here are now going to be eliminated. Oh, how unfortunate. They are done. They are done with this race. Anyway, we are now waiting for them to go. We got the 1 flag, 2 flag. We're going to have 2 more here, and we got the green light. They are now released
So,
onto
and see down here, Miss still in won the first race.
what's gonna go on here. We've got,
I'm in
we got a flipper. We got
8th place. Only one this because Amelia, not in the fitness token, but Amelia did Toy Adventure at 16.
that one got denied too. We got
My
flipped the other way.
girlfriend
Okay, so
is
here we
my.
go. Here's where the finishes are coming through. This looks like it's gonna be a quick one. I can't imagine this one taking too long, but here we go.
My girlfriend came in
4 more
59th
marbles.
place.
This looks like an
And a bunch of you guys were disqualified, like Ryan Prunty, Jasmine Rosters, Crystal Jenny, Aries, Shayla, Mr. Beast, Matthew Lee, Daniel Gizmo, Matthew Lau, FaZe Rug, Red Hood, Melvin the Best Fighter, Kylie Stolen 80, Colette, and then Mr. Onishi. So the 66 to 80 made it. But funny is, we had one less marble from last year make it last week. We had 66 made it last week, the practice round. So yeah.
Bad accounting. Anyway, we are on to the next section. I just want to take a quick moment to look at all of the fallen marbles. Oh my gosh. A few of them got stuck in different places. This is still the biggest elimination zone there is. Oh my gosh. So many marbles were lost here. It's insane. Alright, so now they are making their way up this elevator. We are going to go to the next section. Holy cow, I can't wait. One of these marbles is going to be your winner. Who do you think it's going to be? Let me know down in the comments below. What color do you think is going to make it? We are reaching the top.
I'm gonna follow Chad for now. Daisy made it again.
This wave has released. We're following along with
Then still got stuck this time. The winner from the last round.
way down. I actually have no idea what's going to happen on this one. I don't even know where the. I guess that's the elimination zone at the top.
But there I am.
Oh, the floor is dropped. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Oh, look at all the marbles.
In the sky.
Holy cow, we only had a few make it through. That was crazy. That was like Indiana Jones in like a temple or something. And
We're doing
just drops out.
4 races. We're gonna do 8 races, but
So how many marbles are we down to now? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? We have 6 marbles making their way to the finish line. Let me know which one you think is going to win. There are a lot of colors that are now missing. These are our finalists coming in right
we're
now.
gonna follow Joby now.
We are
Sent
going
me.
to the end. What is going to happen? No, there's a crazy battle happening right now. Changing of positions, and that is it. Look at that. We have our finishers. We have gold, silver, and bronze making their way down now. And then we have 3 others that came so close, but yet did not make podium. Anyway, oh my gosh, this is an insane race. We got more marbles coming through. Unfortunate. There are our finishers. Hopefully,
And send the track you did. That's to see.
that's interesting. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Go check out the links in the description. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. Let me know what you want to see in the future. And we will see you all in the next one. Peace.
Well, Mr. Yamagaki that got up.
Holy delicious. Holy Hershey's. What's up, everyone? Dapper here. We are back playing some more Marble World. Today we had a big update. Portals have now been added into the game, and I'm super excited about this because I've been waiting for this forever. So here we go. We have a portal already put down, and all we need to do is make another portal that actually links up to it. So let's go ahead and copy this first portal here, and I'm going to add another portal right over here, and now I'm going to use the linking tool to link the two up. So all I have to do is click that one and that one. Now these two portals are linked up. Now let's see what happens when we send the marbles down. So there's the marbles, and oh, they're going the wrong way. Well, that's a pretty easy fix. All we have to do now is to flip this portal around here, just like so. Alright, now let's send the marbles down and see what happens. There they are. They came through the portal just like that. So this could be pretty cool. So today I'm going to be making a track entirely based around these portals. And what I really want to do is send marbles into a completely different dimension. So we're going to set up a different dimension on this track at some point. Also, when I finish the track, I'm going to be racing all of my subscribers down it. If you want a chance to be a marble in my upcoming videos, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe with the bell notification, and finally leave a comment down below on YouTube and marble in my upcoming videos. Anyway, without further ado, let's get building. Alright guys,
So Stone was the first winner.
start adding to this track. I'm going to make it pretty simple to start off, but I do want to do some cool things with these.
2 was Teal.
First of all, I'm going to bring another teleporter down here to continue this, and
Matsumoto, you can see.
so while we have this set up,
I was in 18th place again.
the marbles will keep their speed going through the portal.
Sky was
So
22.
I'm going to test that out really quick. We're going to go to special. We're going to add a booster here. Let me go ahead and flip that around, and we'll go ahead and bump this up to something ridiculous like 50. And let's watch the marbles go through now. And look at that. They actually
Where's my
they
girlfriend?
get shot into this portal, and then they come out super fast on either side, which is awesome. Apparently, they come out in the same spot with the portals as well. Even if you like
My
change
girlfriend was
the
9th
size
place.
of them,
People that were disqualified. We had more. We had the same amount of marbles we had the first one, but more than the second one. Weird. Mr. Yamagaki, Claire McNeil, Corey Mysticon, Dennis Wool, Haley Fujiwara, Savannah Tenrite, Red Hood Rebecca, Zach Miss Westbrook, Xander Jazzy Sky, and then Stone Evenson.
and we will connect it to this one. So now we have two links set up between this. So now we have to see what happens. I think I need to flip these around though. So I'm going to do that really. Actually, let's go ahead and test it. First, there we go. Send the marbles through. Okay, yeah, I definitely need to flip them around. Alright, there we go. Now let's try this out one more time. Setting the marbles down, and look at that. It randomly chooses between the two. Does it actually? Oh, we're going to have to test that. I wonder if it goes back and forth. Because that would actually be amazing if each marble would automatically go to the next one. We can split up marbles really cool like that. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and continue this track. So now that we've split that with the portals there, the next thing to do is to add some more track pieces here and kind of continue it. Alright, there we go. I've continued the track a little bit. Let's go ahead and grab another portal and throw it down here. There we go. There is our portal. Now I want to experiment a little bit more. So let's do something like this. First, let's get a funnel. So I'm going to put a funnel here. I'm going to make it deeper, just like so. And now, oh, this is going to be really cool. I'm going to try to put portals all the way around this funnel.
Or no, Michaela. And I'm gonna start this.
Okay, there we go. That looks pretty cool. Now it's time to link this portal to all of these portals right here.
I don't know if this will work, but we'll see.
Insane. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to need to flip around a lot of these portals. So let's go ahead and send the marbles through. I'm going to put it in slow motion. That way we can see where they are all coming from. And that way I can get them flipped around the way that they need to be. Alright, so that one definitely needs to be turned around. Okay, I can't tell if these need to be flipped around or if they're actually coming out and hitting the posts. It's still really cool though. Alright, in order to solve this problem, I think I'm just going to make this really big. Oh my gosh, just like that. And hopefully I can use this to just catch all the marbles, whether they make it or not. Center that. And can the marbles get through here?
That got stuck again.
Alright,
Let's see if you're any of my girlfriend's friend on the top 10, top 20. The answer is no.
Try some stuff out. Here is our new dimension. I'm not really sure what it is, but it's in some kind of metal space box where the marbles make their way down this neon track, and then I think I'm going to dump them out into another large portal here. And another thing that the update says is that depending on size and scale, wherever the marble hits, that's where it's going to come out. So I want to make like a giant portal here, which would be very interesting. Something like this, and then we can actually drop that out. I don't know where, somewhere. Maybe we should. No, I think that'll be fine. All the marbles will kind of dump into here, which will be perfect. Let's go ahead and link this up really quick, just so I can make sure this track works. So we'll go over here, linking mode. We'll grab that portal there, and here we go. That should be linked up now, I think. Oh, okay, yeah, it's linked up. Perfect. There it is. It is now activated. Let's go ahead and test it to make sure it works. I suppose I need to test this too. I don't really know if this is going to work either. We are losing marbles. We're losing marbles here. Oh, interesting. I think the marbles might hit something and then they might spawn back here. I'm not really sure how that works. That's fine. You know, if we lose a few marbles, that's okay. Let's go in here and check to see if
I see something I want. No, it's highly details here.
this is backwards once again, so let's go ahead and get that flipped around.
Yeah, that
There we go. One marble made it.
he'd be down here too. Oh, that right here.
It's stuck. Actually, I just lost that. Okay, there it is. There's the marble making its way down now. Now it's time to link this portal up to somewhere else. We can go to, I don't know if another dimension, but we'll bring the marbles somewhere else from here. Alright, here we go. We're going to make it rain marbles. But I think I'm going to do like,
This thing like changing, so I don't know why it keeps changing.
Because you can't handle sex.
I don't know, like a falling course where the marbles just kind of fall continuously. So let's go ahead and place this pipe here in order to keep them in. And then I'm going to make this big enough so that it matches the diameter of the, oh my gosh, the portal. Here we go.
My girlfriend
That's
in
it
fifth
right there.
place.
That's actually pretty good. I can't tell if the pipe's crooked or if the portal's crooked. What we do is fix it like that. Bring it down here. And now we're going to paint this like a transparent color. We can just go ahead and like do that. Alright, perfect. Alright, now let's go ahead and continue this down. And I'm just going to do a bunch of obstacles in here, I think. Alright, I think that's pretty good. The marbles will all fall down here. Let's grab this portal and make sure they go through that here. And then it is time to portal out to another place.
I think this might be the last one.
Well, actually, there's a lot of stuff I want to do before that. So let's start doing that
I'm
now.
gonna see.
I'm going to start placing
Oh,
like,
Game Master was the last one.
shapes in here, I guess.
Oh, we have 2 more marbles here.
Vacuum chamber, but just like, I don't know, gravity fall chamber.
Conrad, right? You're the last one.
I think I'm just going to continue this because it's actually pretty cool. I like it. Let's go ahead and copy paste that. Oop, I grabbed too much. There we go. Copy paste that. Add a few
Yep.
more of this, and then we will add.
And the 3 is Mr. Onishi.
A bunch of marbles across it and see what happens. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the track is finally complete. I added
My girlfriend's
a little bit of a weird page speed.
fifth.
It's all right. But yeah, here is our finish here, and we
I
got
think I'm
I still
23.
have to link up, but as soon as those are linked, we're gonna get this race underway. All right, here we go. This track is currently.
And then Sky was in 4th place.
Everything works, but let's go ahead and get all the marble names.
Wow, we had less marble than the last one. And
And all the names
Jerome, Claire, Nina,
under
Daniel.
a few seconds.
It's 63 marble only made it this year.
Of these,
Nina, Daniel, Gizmo, Kit, Matthew, Lau, Aries, Healy, and then one guy that
and finally leave a comment down below.
Mark, Miss Restaurant, Zach,
Right now.
Miss Reese Davy,
Anyways,
Jazzy
so
Sky,
looking at all
Mr. Chef, Miss Masamura,
underway.
Ian Ryan, and then
There we go. All the names, and we're going to get this race started right now in 3, 2, 1. The marbles are away, and we're going to be checking out
from this.
this portal run, which should be absolutely insane. Actually, I think I'm going to slow down just a little bit. These marbles are
Aubrey is no longer following right now, so.
I need to restart it. I forgot I want to do this as a race. So there we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the marbles are away and we are following along. Oh my gosh, it's kind of crazy.
3 point got stuck. Someone always gets stuck up there.
What is happening? I'm trying to keep up with someone. There we go. This was the leader a few moments ago, but oh my gosh, so many things are happening. I can't even follow along. Okay. So this is amazing. We can now look around on a marble, which is crazy awesome, but I don't know how to stop following. Oh, there we go. I figured it out. Okay, so we do have a race leader here. I paused it. This is going just so incredibly fast. Can I like that? There we go. All right, right now we're following Zircon. What is happening on the marbles? We have this serious flaw over there. Oh my gosh. All right,
This will be your last one.
look at the portal. Now there's a flower here. Oh my gosh. And of course the portal is upside down. Like I said, this is untested. Oh no, I just created like a perpetual loop of going back and forth. Alright, there we go. The race continues.
Right now, Clement News is in the lead. We're following Aubrey right now, so.
Oh, they're not even heading into the portal. Oh, and are these heading backwards? They are. I really wish there was like an input-output button to really show you what's happening. You know, we're gonna have another race now that all the stuff is hopefully fixed. I'm gonna go back there and check out what's
We're
going
gonna put it down here. And now I'm gonna fast forward this.
on. Why did this slow this down? This is such a fast track. It's kind of ridiculous. Alright. So this race is a little broken. Let's find out where it's broken and let's fix it really quick. Alright, so it's broken here. Actually, it's not really broken.
There's no Sarasaki. He's gone.
Stuck in the wall. Okay, no big deal. It's a little
I'm in 4th place. Nice.
There we go. This is all working over here. Not sure.
That was Sky. Where's my
bad
girlfriend?
things. In order to fix these bad things, maybe just do this. That should fix all the bad things, right?
10%.
Just delete that. There we go. Alright, I think that's gonna work. Alright, hopefully no bad things happen there. Alright, and hopefully this somewhat fixes the portal problem here. Okay, let's try this again.
And money.
All these marbles, hopefully everything goes smoothly this time. Alright, here we go. Let's reset. Let's try this again. Here we go. We're going a little bit slower this time because it's pretty crazy. It's gonna do this until it starts though. Takes a while for this race to start. There we go. All the marbles are away. We're now slowing them down. We're gonna follow along with the race. And look at this. We can look around now while following the marble. That's insane. I love it.
Generate then the nearest.
I'm gonna skip to
I was in 4th place.
definitely not the leader anymore. Oh, there's the leader. We got Michael. Oh,
Sky was in 20th place.
marbles are coming in. Oh, Michael falls off the track. I guess that is one of the problem zones here.
Kenrio in 42.
This is
Sarasaki, Clement Neil, Corey Khan, Niscon, Emilton Toya, Tarsha, Ryan Punchy, Calebson, Peyton Meyer, Daniel Dismal, Shadwell Smith, FaZe Road, Matthew Lee, Conrell Dell, Game Master, Chase, Mr. Smia, Healy Poet, and V Quinn Olin. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Bye!